Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1220, and today's topic is the miracle element, that is magnesium, and its role in the maintenance of mental peace. It is known as element of mental peace, cool behavior, calm behavior, that is magnesium. Magnesium is metallic element. It has 12 atomic number, and magnesium is, its symbol is Mg, and its atomic weight is 12. Few decades ago, much was not discussed about the magnesium, and mainly people they were knowing magnesium as a ceramic pigment agent to maintain the color, or the magnesium compounds like magnesium oxide, magnesium sulfate, magnesium phosphate. They were used in antacid preparation. Apart from that, much was not known the medicinal importance of magnesium. Nowadays, lot of research papers are coming about the role of magnesium in our mental health, to reduce anxiety, to control depression, and also three more important roles, that is to control constipation, and also migraine and chronic headache. So overall, magnesium is playing very important role in our neurological health as well as in metabolic process, our bone density, muscles function, mitochondria energy release. It is actually working as a cofactor, and according to latest research report, it is having up to 300 biochemical reactions with enzyme, and the most important one, which is related to transmitter, and the name of that transmitter is gamma aminobutyric acid, that is called gamma aminobutyric acid. This is very important amino acid produced in our brain, and this is it is neurotransmitter. So, and in short form, it is given as GAG, gamma amino butyric acid, that is GABA, and the gamma amino so here to maintain and to synthesize gamma aminobutyric acid, that is very important transmitter, or means that is messenger molecule, that is neurotransmitter, and this neuron transmitter, that is gamma aminobutyric acid, plays very important role in elevation of your mood, your irritation, calm down. The reason is that this magnesium plays important role as a coenzyme, cofactor in the synthesis of different type of proteins and amino acids, and this one That is GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid is one of them. It inhibits its release, control its release, and that's why your mood and all these things are controlled. The second very important role it plays, that is in migraine. According to latest research paper published by American neuroscientists, that people who used to have migraine attack 4 or 5 times in a month, and once they are put on magnesium supplement, that migraine attack is reduced to 1 and 2, and in some cases they are fully recovered. So it is very, very important to your migraine or chronic headache, because they are all related to neurochemicals and neurotransmitter, neuromessenger, and their magnesium is playing very important role. That's why nowadays it has become the miracle element. And in one of the paper, one researcher from America, he published that our 90% health related issues are linked to magnesium deficiency. Even our heart problem, blood pressure, diabetic condition, these are all directly or indirectly linked to the deficiency of magnesium. And most of the students, if I am asking the question, they say, that magnesium, sir, it is used as an antacid, as a pigment, or I have seen it in periodic table. But for your kind information, there are almost 60 elements. They may be in traces. They are present in our body, out of which 29 are biologically active. They are taking part in our lot of biochemical reaction, and magnesium is one of the most important. So this magnesium, why we are getting deficiency nowadays, this is now the research is going on. So from 1975 onward, one scientist team, they started conducting the research of soil, and they found that within this period, these 29 elements like magnesium, calcium, iron, potassium, copper, zinc, their reduction is there. They are depleted in the soil from 25 to 40%. So magnesium depletion is there within this 40 years time, from 1975 up to 2011, and from 2011 onward research is going on. So in soil, all these micronutrients in the form of iron, element, mineral, they are reduced day by day. There is reduction, and the reason is pollution and overuse of soil, multi-cropping system. Virgin soils are exhausted because of different crop. That's why now we are shifting to organic farming, means where we want organic fertilizer, organic nutrient, so that our soil should be rich in all the micronutrients. Soil is also having primary, secondary, and tertiary nutrients. So these are all very, very important factors. Secondly, what are the main source of this magnesium in diet? So the main source first is, that is pumpkin seed. In India they call it kaddu or kohoda in our area. The seed and pumpkin itself is rich source of magnesium. It contains up to 150 milligram per 100 gram. Then cashew nut, we call it kaju. It contains up to 90 milligram per 100 gram. Chia seed, spinach, that is palak. So all these dry nut, that pumpkin, cashew nut, walnut, they are very important source of magnesium. And my recommendation as a chemist, anybody who has the opportunity to get cashew nut, in Nigeria there is a lot of, they call it cashew. Cashew nut is available. So just before sleep, you just take 2-3 cashew nut. So first thing is that this cashew nut will take care of your magnesium deficiency is there, and if magnesium level is okay, then you will get good sleep also. And if you are deprived of sleep, that will trigger to your metabolism of sugar, glucose, and that cause diabetic condition and also your heart problem. So I am going to show all this one by one. This is pumpkin seed, very common globally, and in India, America, in Africa, Nigeria, people are cultivating a lot and they are using its pulp, but at the same time, seed is the main source of magnesium and it contains up to 140 milligram per 100 gram. So this is pumpkin fruit. The greenish color mostly is very common in Indian subcontinent, and the very good shining yellow color, that is very common in America, especially in New York area. I have seen it, and they have lot of uses of this pumpkin. This is called chia seed, and this chia seed is also a rich source of magnesium. It contains up to 85 milligram per 100 gram of the seed, and you can use it to enhance and improve the magnesium in your body. This is spinach. In Indian language, it is called palak, and in Nigeria, it is called alehu. And this one is also a rich source of magnesium, and it contains around 35 milligram per 100 gram. This is cashew. That is called cashew nut. One is cashew fruit, other one, this is cashew nut. Nigeria is producing lot of cashew nut, so please add in your diet 4 or 5 cashew nut every day. It will take care of your magnesium deficiency, and better take when you are going to retire to your bed for sleep. This is another dry fruit, very common in India, but I have not seen, it is not common in Nigeria. It is called almond. It is also a good source of magnesium as well as calcium and vitamin E. So you add also 4 or 5 pieces of almond in your diet. This is nowadays, I am just showing one example. The supplement is available, and mainly they write GABA, means gamma aminobutyric acid, and they also write enzymatic supplement is a very, very important supplement. And please, especially those who are senior citizens above the age of 60, they must add some of these supplements. And also my recommendation, you can discuss with your doctor. If you have frequent chances of getting migraine pain and chronic headache or constipation, please, it is very important, add magnesium supplement which is called GABA enzymatic product supplement in your diet. So please note down the summary what I have already told you. Number 1, magnesium, the symbol is Mg, is one of the most important element, and that's why I call it miracle element to boost mental peace. We need 300 milligram per day, and for pregnant women they need 400 milligram per day, and it works as a cofactor, and magnesium mineral is responsible for 300 biochemical functions in our body. So according to latest research publications, in most of the metabolic process, respiratory system, heartbeat, constipation, migraine pain, all everywhere for nerve activation, there is role of magnesium as a cofactor, that is coenzyme in our body. Number 2, recently a lot of publications are there, and one of the American neuroscientists, he mentioned that 90% neurological problems are due to the deficiency of magnesium. It was not known before that we were having this impression that if we have anxiety, depression, or some mental disorder, it's related to only dopamine, serotonin, some other neurochemicals. But at the same time, now it is clear that magnesium element is also playing very important role to maintain mental peace and good mood. That is problem are due to deficiency of magnesium. According to him, most of the health issue is related to magnesium deficiency, like diabetic, chronic constipation, migraine, severe headache. Magnesium deficiency in our body occurs due to lot of medication. Actually, once we are taking lot of medicine, for example, for blood pressure, for diabetic condition, for heart problem. So once we take lot of medicine, there will be chance of deficiency of magnesium. Or when we are taking lot of water, every day we need only 6 to 8 glass of water. But if you are drinking lot of water, eating lot of water means you are taking watermelon or so many vegetables which contain 80-90% water. Then there will be lot of urination, and with urine it will pass on and you will get deficiency. Actually, your body needs water to maintain the electrolyte. To maintain the electrolyte means sodium, potassium, whatever ions are there, they are floating in liquid medium. For that, 6 to 8 glasses of water is enough. And our body occurs due to lot of medication or excess urination. Number 3, magnesium is essential for our bone density. If you do not get magnesium for a long time, then you are at high risk of bad mood, irritation, heart attack, and even osteoporosis. Number 4, magnesium rich foods are pumpkin seeds, which contains 156 milligram per gram, chia seeds 111 milligram, cashew nut 75 milligram, green peanuts, that is called in India palak, in Nigeria it is called alehu, it contains 78 milligram per 100 gram. And in the last but not least, I have seen lot of research publications, and those publications are indicating some of the clinical doctors, they are treating nowadays patients, those who are suffering either from constipation or from migraine, with magnesium supplement. So please discuss this issue, those who are suffering from frequent constipation or those who are suffering from frequent migraine 4, 5, 6 times in a month. Discuss with your doctor, go for that is magnesium supplement in different names, BADA or enzymatic magnesium supplement, all this, and add in your diet every day, and it will take care of your 90% neurological problem. Action. So I'm coming